Vikram, Finesse Couture serves designers, boutiques, and stylists worldwide from Mumbai to Italy, Vietnam to Poland. How do you manage the diverse cultural preferences and logistical challenges of international bridal fashion?
At Finesse Couture, our journey from Bengaluru to the global stage is driven by a deep respect for cultural diversity and a commitment to excellence. Serving brides across continents through our international partners requires cultural sensitivity, adaptability, and a robust logistical framework. Our design process starts with immersive research. We explore regional bridal customs, color palettes, fabric preferences, and ceremonial nuances. For example, a bride in Mumbai might favor rich silks with elaborate embroidery, while a bride in Italy may prefer minimalist design with delicate lace. This understanding allows us to craft our gowns that resonate deeply with each bride.
Can you share an example of how cultural research shapes a specific gown?
Absolutely. For a Vietnamese bride, we blended traditional Ao-dai elements like high collars into a modern gown, honoring her heritage while keeping it contemporary. For a Polish bride, we incorporated traditional embroidery patterns adapted into a sleek modern silhouette that suited her wedding vision.
How does your Bengaluru facility support these global demands?
Our Bengaluru facility is equipped with state-of-the-art technology and hundreds of artisans. From intricate hand embroidery to precision cutting, our artisans bring complex designs to life. This infrastructure ensures we meet tight international delivery schedules while maintaining couture quality for our partners in the US, Australia, Canada, and Europe.
Logistics must be critical for global clients. How do you handle international shipping?
We have built efficient supply chains and work with trusted logistical partners to navigate international shipping regulations. By coordinating with local partners in key markets, we ensure every gown arrives in pristine condition, whether it's headed to New Zealand or Spain. Our goal is a seamless experience for our clients and their brides.
Sustainability is a big focus today. How does Finesse Couture address this globally?
Sustainability is absolutely non-negotiable. We source eco-friendly materials like organic silk and recycled fabrics and use processes that minimize waste. These practices align with global standards and resonate with eco-conscious brides, especially in markets like Europe and the US.
Finesse Couture truly bridges India's craftsmanship with global bridal dreams. Thank you, Vikram.
Thank you. We are passionate about creating the best wedding gowns for brides worldwide.